What's going on, guys? Today, we're taking a look at some of the most scary animal encounters you will ever see. Get ready to be scared. This is Viral Monkey. It's all fun and games until you have to tell the story of how your arm got bitten off. We like to forget how quick and agile crocodiles actually are, and people truly forget how deadly they can be. Who was the person that started saying all monkeys are kind and nice? Now this guy has a scar on his face to prove that they're not.
What was it, Nissan? Oh, well, that's nice. Son of a gun.
I need to know who had the bright idea of using a vacuum to get rid of a spider. Now this spider is out for revenge. I saw those eyes. This is commonly known as a bluff charge, where an animal will pretend to charge you in the hopes of scaring you. Well, the bluff worked. There's nothing that'll scare the life out of you more than a lion charging towards you with its mouth wide open. The elephant is known as the most powerful animal on the planet for a reason. Imagine what it could have done to this car. The king cobra is one of the most deadly breeds of snake, and finding one in your home has to be one of the scariest things imaginable. I can almost guarantee that this massive dog has a name like Fluffy or Cuddles. Look at the size of him. Nature can be beautiful, but a lot of the time it can be scary as well. Wait till you see the other animal in the water.
Oh, no!
It's amazing to think that we walk on the beaches and these little creatures are living right below the sand. One stingray is already pretty dangerous. Now imagine going swimming around a school of them. This may be such a beautiful horned viper, but they are incredibly dangerous, with a venom that can take out anything.
جیرطلا این افعی درسته که زهریه ولی زهرش زیاد خطرناک نیست. خیلی راجبش افسانه سرایی شده. حالا چون شاخ داره هم فکر کنن که زهرش خیلی کشنده است.
This has to be the biggest wasp nest I have ever seen. Can you imagine how deadly it would be to get stung by that many wasps? Just look at the size of this manatee, also known as a sea cow. They are so incredible and surprisingly not dangerous at all.
You can see her breathing, Isabel. Can you see her? Yeah.
Imagine being on a wildlife tour, having some fun, and then you see this.
Oh yeah!
This is just a small glimpse at how quickly things can get out of hand when you try to feed bears in the wild.
Oh, hij verzoekt.
The man in this video is clearly trained for this, but you should never, ever try to do this in the wild.
I haven't felt scared of anything in a long time till right now. This is amazing.
The calmness in this guy to just walk along and catch this monster of a fish is unbelievable.
Boy.
This cat breed is known as a caracal, which is regarded as one of the breeds stuck right in the middle of house cats and the tiger. Here we can see why. A new fear has just been unlocked. Can you imagine how horrible it would be to get stuck in a car with this many bees?
Olha o jeito que nós está. Meu Deus do céu, Maria José. Eu trouxe um tabel para ele, não.
Is there anything in this world more majestic than watching an animal the size of a whale leap out of the ocean like this?
Да, вот он, сейчас.
Just when you thought you didn't have to worry about alligators once you're in the boat, these guys are ruthless. This could have turned ugly so quickly. Some primates will do anything to get a meal and could hurt you in the process.
他看你开那个不放那不吃哦。那那个那干嘛用？哄他走，那哄他走。哥，那何哥，走了，哎，不要抓了，来，何哥。
Have you ever seen how a tarantula attacks its prey? Well, if not, then take a look at this. I know this bear is domesticated and used to being around humans, but this could have turned ugly so quickly if the bear was not. And that's it for this one, guys. We hope you had fun looking at all the most scary animal encounters in the world. If you liked it, then give this video a like. Smash that subscribe button and we'll catch you on the next one.